Determine and simplify the difference quotient for f of x equals the square root of x. So recall that the difference quotient can be defined as f of x plus h minus f of x over h. For our given function, f of x plus h would simply be the square root of x plus h. So then our difference quotient would be equal to the square root of x plus h minus the square root of x over h. So there's the difference quotient. We are asked to simplify it, and they give us a hint. We're told to rationalize the numerator of the expression. Now, to rationalize this numerator, since it's a binomial, what we do is we multiply by its conjugate, which would be the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. And since we multiply by that quantity in the numerator, we must multiply by that same quantity in the denominator. We multiply that out. If you won't need to, you FOIL and combine like terms. But I notice that that's an a minus b. Right? That's an a minus b times an a plus b. And as I learned in an algebra class, that's a square minus b square. And so that would give me in the numerator the square root of x plus h squared minus the square root of x squared. I'm not going to do anything with the denominator. It's just h by the quantity square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. But now nice things happen in the numerator. Squaring those out, that gives me the square root of x plus h squared is just x plus h, and then minus the square root of x squared is x. I have h by the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. We have some like terms in this numerator. X minus x is 0, and so that leaves h over h by the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. I can remove the common factor of h from the numerator and denominator, remembering that that leaves a factor of 1. And so that leaves me 1 over the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. And that is the difference quotient for our function.